To the next question, find the value of 64 raised to 2 over 3. Okay, so I will write that question here, 64 raised to 2 over 3. Okay, so always remember, whatever we have in the denominator, this will come in the inside the root. Okay, so 3 is denominator, so 3 will come inside the root, so you will get cube root of 64. Okay, then square, this numerator will become like normal square or cube or whatever numerator you have, you can put directly like above like this. Okay, always keep in mind denominator will come inside the root thing. Then what is cube root of 64? Which number we are multiplying 3 times will get 64? That is 4, right? So 4 square, so cube root of 64 is 4, so square will come here, 4 square is 16. Okay, so the answer is 60. I hope it's clear for you.